I snap my fingers, not only does it become 10 times worse, but you actually realize it's coming from the person next to you. Check it out. It's coming from the person next to you. Point to where that smell's coming from. Point to where that smell's coming from. That was really bad. That was really bad. That's nasty. When I snap my fingers, it gets 100 times worse, and you realize it's actually coming from you. When I snap my fingers, you realize it's coming from you. It's coming from you. That was really gross. That was really gross. Is there a problem in the sewage or something? I'm not sure. I'll tell you what, I have a way to fix it. Let's get back into our chairs. I know you smell bad right now, but let's get back into our line. I'm going to fix it for you. Just as soon as you get back into your chairs.
He was like, I know it.
Form a straight line.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead and have you scoot back. We'll have you scoot back as well. Get into the line. See, I have a way of fixing it. You see, I don't travel anywhere without this. Have you guys seen these before? This is a spritzer spray bottle. You guys have seen these, right? It's a little spray bottle. And when I touch the button on the top, it sprays a mist all over your skin. As soon as the mist touches your skin, you instantly smell better. Not only do you smell better, but you smell like your favorite scent. Do you smell better? Do you need some? I'll tell you what, calm down. I'm going to spray this on you. You'll instantly smell like your favorite smell. You ready? That smells fantastic. What is that? I don't recognize it. That's a great smell. What is it? I'm sure what that was. You guys need some down here? What do you want? Just all over your feet or what? Isn't that better? All better now. Doesn't that smell great? That smell good? You need some here? Hey, Ray, need some? Put your arms out. Stop. That smells good. What's that smell? Chicken. Do you guys mind if I get her first? Because she smells really bad. Stand up for me. Just start turning around. Is that better? What's that smell? That's really good.
Saying Nirvana.
Very specific scent. You guys think so? How about you? It's not great.
Actually think that's crazy.
Yeah, what is that? That's great. Fantastic. You want some more? There you go. Both you got some. Excellent. What's your smell? It smells great.
It smells like my mom.
Mom's promise. Excellent. What's your smell, Matt?
Chloe.
Need some more? Smell that. What's it smell like?
I don't know.
What's your smell like?
Hot dogs.
You guys need some down here? Is that better? What's your smell like?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. We need some back here? Stand up for it. Come up here. Come up here.
This is actually.
Come right up here. Excellent. Let's say you sit down right here. We're going to make you smell better. Ready? Is that better? You need some more? What's that smell like? It's really good. Spearmint. Yes, that's a wonderful smell. Excellent. I'll tell you what, not only everything okay here, what's going on?
I can't figure out if his feet are the cheese or
I'll tell you what, when I snap my fingers, not only do you guys smell great, when I snap my fingers, not only do you guys smell great, but the person next to you smells even better than you do. Check it out. The person next to you smells even better than you do. Check it out. You gotta check it out. Check out the hair. Check out the hair. Check out the hair. Check out the armpits. Don't forget the armpits. Get the armpits. It smells good. It smells good. Check out the feet smell good. Don't the feet smell good? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Sleep. All the way down. 1, 2, 3. All the way down. Excellent. Excellent. Hey, look right up here. Just go ahead and he wants to do this in his own time. Comfortable? On three, ready? 1, 2, 3. Even deeper, even deeper. Excellent. They'll be wonderful when he wakes up in just a moment. Excellent. And speaking of everyone up on stage right now, nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Good. No worries, no cares, no concerns. The person that I am touching on the shoulder right now, the person I'm touching on the shoulder right now, you've completely, totally, and entirely forgotten your first name. No matter how hard you try to remember it, you cannot remember your first name. Even if you see it reading, someone tells it directly to you, you cannot remember your first name. Is the weirdest thing. It really freaks you out. Nod your head if you understand. Excellent. Good. Keep your eyes closed. Excellent. The person that I'm touching on the shoulder right now, the person I'm touching on the shoulder right now, you've completely, totally, entirely forgotten the number 6. No matter how hard you try to remember it, it just cannot come out your mouth. It's really weird. It's freaky. It freaks you out. Even if you hear it, someone tells it directly to you, you cannot remember the number 6. Nod your head if you understand. Excellent. I'm going to hand you your glasses so they don't get broken. You can put them in your hand. I'm speaking to everyone up on stage right now. Everyone up on stage. If you're sitting in a chair, if you're sitting on the floor, I'm going to count to 3. Everyone up on stage right now, I'm going to count to 3. When I reach 3, you're going to open up your eyes, feel refreshed, revived, and relaxed. There's only going to be one problem. When I reach 3, you'll find that your legs are going to snap into a perfectly straight position, and you cannot bend them. Perfectly straight position, and you cannot bend them. Now, it's very important. It's very important that you realize that there may be people around you. There may be people around you, and you will not kick anyone in the head. You will not kick anyone in the head. You'll be very careful not to hurt anyone. But when I reach 3, your legs will snap into a perfectly straight position. You'll be unable to bend them. You'll try to get up and get into your chair, but it'll be very, very difficult. The people who are in your chairs right now, your legs will be in a straight position too, and you'll try to sit down in a very normal fashion, but it'll be very difficult and very weird for you. Nod your heads if you understand. Excellent. On 3, 1, 2, and 3. Eyes open. Eyes open. Eyes open. Let's go ahead and get into it. You okay? Okay, nod your head if you're okay. Excellent. Let's just get up and get into our chairs. Get up and get into a chair. Just get up. You guys can do it. Just find a chair. And on 3, your legs work perfectly normal. 1, 2, 3. Your legs work perfectly normal. Your legs work perfectly normal. Right back this way. Okay. Hold on, ready? Let's go ahead and take a seat. Take a seat. Your legs on 3. 1, 2, 3. Your legs are normal. Perfect. Excellent. Have a seat. Everyone take a seat. Everyone take a seat. Everyone take a seat. I'm sorry, I didn't get introduced to you. I'm Roderick. What was your name? It's good. No need to be shy. What is it? I know it's late now, and weird things happen, but what's your last name? You can remember your last name. What's that?
Prevo.
Prevo. Now, I don't know if you heard this or not, but some of your friends were telling me your name. Charlie. Charlie? Charlie, I don't know if you just heard this now, but a lot of people just tell me your name, Charlie, and I want you, Charlie, just to tell me just as hard as you can, Charlie. You won't be able to. What's your first name, Charlie? It's really weird. I'll tell you what, when I snap my fingers, you'll be able to remember your first name perfectly fine, but here's the deal. The name that you remember is actually not your own. You're convinced that it's yours, but it could be a guy's name, a girl's name, it doesn't matter whose name it is, it's just not your name, but you're absolutely convinced that it's yours. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, Prevo was your last name, is that correct? What's your first name?
Casey.
So, really cool. I want you to stand up for me. This is the coolest thing in the world. Straight over here. Perfect. I want you to put both your hands up like this. Excellent. A little closer together. Excellent. Count out loud for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to say 7, but 7, 8, 9, 12, 9.
It gets a little confusing over there. Let's try it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10.
You got most of it. What was this one?
5.
What's this one?
5.
They are. So what's one plus one?
2.
Good, easy. I mean, you should have to do it's pretty easy for you. What's 2 plus 2?
4.
Excellent. And what's 3 plus 3?
33.
Give him a round of applause. That's it. That's how you go. Sit down on the floor. Excellent. Perfect. Excellent. Now, yeah. There you go. I travel with one. Sing these before. Okay, what's going on? Everything all right? What's up? This is really cool. I'm going to count to 3, snap my fingers. Your legs are going to completely turn to rubber, and it's going to be the most amusing thing ever. You're going to love it. It's going to be the coolest thing in the world. 1, 2, 3. Completely rubber. Check this out. I'm going to grab one. Ready? It's going to stretch. Isn't that wild? Check this out. Hold on. Here, hold on to this one. Hold really tight, really tight. It's completely made of rubber. Isn't that cool? There's a lot of tension on it. I'm gonna count to 3. When I reach 3, you're gonna let go. That leg's gonna go snapping back and hit her right back into the leg and go right back into the socket. She's gonna fall instantly asleep. You ready for this? It's gonna feel incredible. 1, 2, 3. And the next time you open up your eyes, your legs will feel absolutely perfect, absolutely normal. Person right now, you're gonna be very sleep. Person touching on the shoulder right now. You're gonna take a nice deep breath in. And out. You find that every time I give you a suggestion, you listen carefully, you understand easily, you follow it immediately without hesitation. Otherwise, you sit quiet and you behave yourself, and you're an awesome part of the show. Nod your head if you understand. Excellent. Nod your head if you understand. Excellent. I'm going to count to 3. Whenever it's 3, you're going to open up your eyes. You'll feel refreshed, revived, and relaxed. No longer in a hypnotic state. You can find your way to the edge of the audience and sit down and enjoy the show from over there, because you'll enjoy it way more over there on 3.